What is up, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here, and this week we're back to Brickell for another property tour at one of my newest listings at the 500 Brickell building. Today, I'm going to show you a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath, which I have listed for sale for $525,000. And let me just say that is absolutely impeccable. You may remember this building from a previous video I made at the 500 Brickell building where I showed you another 2-bedroom, 2-bath layout, but that one was a rental for $3,000 per month. And in that video, I break down more of the building's features as well as the general Brickell neighborhood that is in close proximity. So if you want to learn more about the area where 500 Brickell is located, then feel free to check out that video. I'll go ahead and tag it here just in case you're interested. Aside from the tasteful upgrades that my sellers have made over the past few years, the highlights of this property are definitely the fact that it has a split floor plan, the bathrooms are super spacious, and the property takes full advantage of the 1,111 square feet that it has to work with. Honestly, in my opinion, one would be hard pressed to find a better looking property in Brickell for this price point. But of course, you will all be the judge of that. So let's dive in. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Miami property tour content, of course, and click that notification bell to be alerted my weekly videos. And leaving a like in this video definitely wouldn't hurt either. If anything, it supports the growth of this channel. And the best of all is all those things I just mentioned are absolutely free and they go a long way. So go figure. All right, without further ado, I present to you 500 Brickell, unit 1403. Enjoy.
Anywhere you go,